MK9 operations span many different units, bases, and countries. A single aircraft can be operated by any number of personnel from any number of units at various locations spanning the globe, from stateside training to combat operations to launch and maintenance crews in deployed locations. Regardless of where an aircraft is located, it will always have a series of forms that are used by both maintenance and aircrew to document any discrepancy or action performed on it. Current documentation requirements are a long and duplicative process. First, any maintenance actions performed are manually written up in paper forms. Then these actions must be transferred manually to the maintenance information system. If an aircraft receives a weight and balance, this too must be updated in the aircraft forms and maintenance information system, in addition to the aircraft weight and balance system. Once an aircraft is ready to fly, the aircrew will take the forms and retain them for that flight. If this flight is under SIPRNet operations, the aircrew have a system available to input some aircraft data for communication to following crews. They call this system Skynet. If flying under NIPRNet operations, they have no such system and must rely on simple instant messenger to pass on relevant information to the next crews. After an aircraft has landed, the aircrew must update the aircraft forms for any issue that might have been experienced by either themselves or prior crews on that aircraft flight. They provide this information to the maintenance debrief for input to the respective systems and notify maintenance personnel. The debriefer will then update the forms and maintenance information system accordingly. Finally, once the flight and all required post-maintenance actions are completed, maintenance personnel must then pull the paper forms and prep for the next flight. These pulled forms are stored in the aircraft jacket file. Due to limited storage space, these files are only retained for 7 flights before disposal. Our proposed fix is to digitize and consolidate the aircraft forms, jacket files, and debrief function into a digital application on a ruggedized tablet. This application would then interface with the maintenance information system and aircraft weight and balance system and provide or receive updates as required. We would also utilize a version of the Skynet program for both NIPR and SIPR operations that would interface with the application to both send and receive updates as required. This web-based system would also be used as a data backup of the aircraft forms and provide a true history of that aircraft.